Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Darryl Lang, co-founder of CapitalBay. We are honored to be selected and excited to be able to share with you our story today. Thank you, MES and KPMG, for the opportunity. CapitalBay is a B2B data-driven supply chain finance platform serving the Southeast Asian market with working capital solutions such as invoice financing. Today, I'd like to share with you how we've reimagined credit scoring and helped financial inclusion. Cash is king. In fact, it is so essential that over 50% of small businesses have failed due to cash flow issues. It is a $55 billion problem in Southeast Asia. Our goal is to make it as simple as sliding to unlock cash flow. So supply chain finance is a booming industry. However, banks find it difficult to provide it to SMEs. The top rejection reasons include onboarding requirements, requests for additional information or collateral, and it being too expensive to run operationally by banks. This is where CapitalBay comes in. We efficiently connect the suppliers, buyers, and funders. And what makes us different? Our credit intelligence. We have a differentiated form of credit assessment, incorporating multiple data sources and done through machine learning. Let me dive in further. At a bank, their credit analysis typically stops short at the financial borrower's information, the collateral, and so on. We go over and beyond this. We are able to utilize data within the supply chain to determine credit worthiness. Conceptually, we are assessing the risk at the transaction level as opposed to just the company level. We look at multiple data across thousands of data points, including information such as the buyer-supplier trade history, frequency of interaction, payments, and performance. Our prediction model has had a 99.9% accuracy thus far. But of course, we do not do this manually. We have multiple API integrations with multiple data sources, including credit reporting agencies, ERP systems, and many other digital B2B ecosystems. In Singapore, we are in discussions with NTP to plug into the digital trade ecosystem to help facilitate cross-border financing. Now, let me walk you through an example of what CapitalBay can do. We have a large supermarket chain who signs up on our platform as a buyer. They have hundreds of suppliers, many of which are small businesses who struggle to obtain financing from banks. One of which is a Japanese confectionery supplier. They are interested in our program as they are cash-strapped and can only supply to 10 stores. Our platform is very easy to use and adopt bank-grade security. Our onboarding process is very simple and fully digital. Once onboarded, they are able to apply for financing with just a few clicks. Within minutes, their credit information is pulled up, and we determine the credit worthiness of this supplier. Then, this information is then passed on to the funders, who's able to disburse the funds within T+1. This transaction would have otherwise taken up to 3 months. So, with our help, the supplier is able to get cash earlier and expand their product offerings with many more inventory in stock. As for the buyer, the supermarket chain, they are happy as the products are now available at stores nationwide. As for the funder, they are able to receive attractive returns on a safe asset class and with minimal operational work involved. In a nutshell, a multiple win situation for the supplier, buyer, and funder. Within a span of 1 year, we are proud to have facilitated over 1,000 transactions, helped serve over 200 underserved SMEs, and with 3 commercial banks onboarded with many more funding sources in the pipeline. We are also humbled to have received 2 prestigious awards from the Asian Banker, including the best FinTech platform for supply chain finance in Asia Pacific. To end off, many deserving businesses have failed and faced rejection based on traditional lending practices. With the new data economy, this allows us to have a paradigm shift in terms of how we do credit assessment. CapitalBay is at the forefront of this revolution and taking a leap for financial inclusion. Thank you.